These crunchy granola clusters are made without oil and are lightly sweetened with maple syrup. Start off by adding rolled oats, almond flour, chopped walnuts, pepitas, cinnamon and salt to a large bowl and mix to combine. Then add maple syrup, vanilla extract and water and stir until everything is well coated and the mixture starts to clump together. Transfer the mixture to a baking sheet and press it out into a thin layer. Bake for 20 minutes until lightly golden, then let the granola cool completely. Once cool, break it into clusters and stir through your favourite mix-ins, like dried cranberries or chocolate chips. And that's it. Crunchy, oil-free granola clusters. Thanks for watching and enjoy.